Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake in an air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees F and lightly oil the basket. Then whisk flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, and 1 egg until smooth. Pour batter into a squeeze bottle or piping bag, pipe a loose spiral into the basket, cook for 2 to 4 minutes per side until golden, then dust with powdered sugar and enjoy warm. Start by filling a squeeze bottle with batter to control flow and shape, then practice a steady spiral motion over parchment. Leave space between each cake in the basket to allow circulation and even crisping. Cook at 375 degrees F and check at 2 minutes, flipping if needed to brown both sides evenly. Finish with a dusting of powdered sugar, optional fruit, or syrup for a carnival-style treat that's quick and satisfying. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you'll love. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, confident scent that pairs perfectly with your carnival snacks on the drive home. I've left a link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Now let's get back to the video. If your funnel cakes come out dense, adjust batter texture by adding milk 1 tablespoon at a time until it flows easily. Soggy centers usually mean they need a bit longer. Add 30 to 60 seconds or raise the temperature slightly, watching closely. To avoid sticking, use air fryer-safe parchment rounds or spray the basket lightly with oil before piping. These small fixes deliver consistent golden, crisp results every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.